Hey guys, just want to go over VW Beetle convertible power windows. If your power window in the back or in the front gets stuck, or you can hear it grinding, generally it's because the regulator is broken. One of the reasons the regulator is going to be broken is they have a whole bunch of plastic parts in there. They've got plastic wheels, plastic spring tensioners, and what we do here is we replace them with metal parts. Similar to that. So if you guys want a higher quality part, you can ship us your window regulator from your vehicle, and we'll put these parts in for you. It's going to save you a bunch of money over buying something from the dealership, and it's going to be much higher quality than you get in one of the kits you can buy online. The problem with the kits you get online, they're still plastic, and they're pretty hard to install. You'll find that a lot of the cables are the wrong lengths, and the tensioning is very difficult to get. So let us know if you need our help.